Hi guys, it's me again, Tony. So I would like to make this short video to share with all people about the upcoming Malaysia's FKLI index hitting to 1,700. Wow. So today, and for information, is the index itself for the FKRIs have raises to from 1,006 about 1,660 to really about 1,668. Okay, so or is actually reaches to 1,660. In fact, that yesterday it have been the beginning starting point it closed at about 1,656.50. So it's about nearly to 10 over points per day. Well, so why this happened, and I will share a little bit later. And also it's because of the impact of the OPR, which is the overnight policies rate, which is just announced yesterday, the preemptive move by this Bank Negara Malaysia for the government in Malaysia. Okay, so without further ado, I would like to share a little bit about my own course before I go to start, and I hope this course will give you some inspirations and to guide you along the way of your tradings and to make you to be a profitable traders as well as investors. So from here itself, I would like to share is learn to understand and trade to believe. Why? Because I always have people who ask, Tony, I've learned from you. I learn from video, I learn from your sharing sections and your books every day. I watch your video, and I know that trading is just follow the rules, and even investing is we have a mindset must be correct, and we have a system and methodology to follow. But the fact is that I don't believe myself even. So this is a question. So the question always raised in all our mind that we have this kind of mentality which is not believe in ourselves. But the fact is why we don't believe in ourselves is because we never tried, right? So it's better to trade to believe, because you can start by yourself to trade first, maybe just a small account and get to know it, just get to feel it, you see. Just get to feel it. Once we have a feeling on that, then slowly we will actually believe our own system. Well, okay, so without wasting any time, just go to my Facebook where I introduce to you, which is tonylibs@gmail.com. Don't wait again. If you wait again, then you will miss a lot of opportunity for information. So next, we're going to share a little bit of you my website before I get to start. So for those who first time get to know me, please go to my website, www.tonylibsd.com. Just go to get to know more about me, and there's more here. Just click on it. There's a financial calculator free for you to use, and this Facebook. And this is my YouTube channel. Just click on, go to YouTube, WCD White Trading. Then you can go inside to learn. There's abundance of video, including this one. Actually, I record into this video itself. And this is some of my portfolio, which is not very important for information because you will have to make money, right? So I just screen through it. Just take a look. In short to say, I published my book. I got 2 books, The Powerful Value Investing Formula, Building One Cash Machine. Then I got I'm expertise into real estate trading and stock investing, about trophy experience. So, well, this is my book highlighted. Okay, so without wasting any time, this is a little bit short about my portfolio. Then no more, just get to go to my website and to understand me more a little bit about me. Okay, all right. So for information, let's take a look from here. This is the news for information. It's a 50 July. Wow. So again, today I'm quite happy. Even though I woke up and I saw it's outside it's raining, and I still continue my routine life. Just go to open my computers, my laptops, and just start my trading day. And I saw actually what happened is the news itself is really give a very strong impact. So what I want to do is I quickly actually make up this video to share with all of the students and around all the people, so which is get to know me, to know when is the next trend. And okay, all right, without wasting any time, let's take a look for this news. So what this news talk about is very simple. I just make a summary here, whereby the overnight policies rate, once it reduced, right, normally we understand the overall market itself, the country is reduced the interest rate, and the stock market will actually we will both, or we're going to increase into the indexes. Why? Because if today just try to imagine that the bank is going to reduce the interest rate, not interest rate, or even that saving rate that we save money into the bank, then it reduced. We call it OPR. And it reduced from, let's say, last time we save money is 4% a year, but now it's turned it to be 2.5 or even 3%. Would you save your money in the bank? The answer is definite, no. So you will take money out and just invest in somewhere else. So perhaps you will buy property, you invest in stock market, you even buy gold to keep it just for sustain the value itself, sustain your capitals without losing the money out of the depreciation of the value or even in the currency itself, or even to look for a better safe haven, or we can say, or even a better investment opportunity. So from here, most probably I can easily say the stock market itself in the upcoming maybe 6 months, that we can see a very bright side, which is a better futures. Why? Because a lot of people will try to check up their so-called their saving and invest in stock market, because stock market is easily for us, we can profit even at the dividends is easily can catch about 6% to 10% per year. So from here, we can take a look the so-called for information is forecasting for last year is actually for this year 2016 by the MPC and also the Bank of Ghana probably would be around 2.5 to 3.5 for information. And what happened is now we can see that most probably we projected about 2 to 3% in 2016 compared to the previous 2.5 to 3.5. It's very hard to achieve right now. So from here I can easily say, if the inflation itself is going to reduce, that doesn't mean that our company is not growth. We have to really take a look for the GDP, see that the gross domestic product have it increased or not. So this will be our next section. So all right, this is a little bit of the news and everything, the explanation on that. So now we're going to the explanation about trading. So the trading itself is actually today I woke up, I just go to the investing.com website. So I enlarge a little bit to show you. Okay, so from here, we can easily to see that I always share with people about RSI stochastic, that some trading informations. So what happened is, wow, guys, take a look. This is the day one, the daily chart. And in the daily chart itself, the candles is already break through the 200 moving average. So it's very easily to tell us now the overall market trend in the fundamental perspective is because of the OPR rate card. And another way we can take a look is actually the technical side is already start to begin to increase. And my forecast is we continue to improve or even increase to the next level of 1,700, and later I'll explain why. And because one of the reasons is RSI here, we can take a look. From the RSI, I always mention and always share with people that the relative strength index is one of the very strong index, as well as we can see that the RSI which is hitting to 70%, which is they're telling us my trend is start to come back already. You see, I will hitting to that direction, which is the uptrend. And if that's in contrast or in opposite direction, if that is nearly to 30%, it actually start to tells that is indications to indicate the overall market is hitting to a downtrend. So by now, it's actually start to begin to rebound to 60%. So the overall market, as we can see, is brighter futures that they start to come back. And so I can easily say the markets will start to hitting to the uptrend. So we just trying to go for long positions in the FKLI. If let's say we have any chance that the FKLI start to go down, it start to rebound, and we just go to a long trade. That's this simple as that. Unless the world market have some changes. And here I give a little bit of disclaimer first. I'm not giving any tips or anything, and just in my own opinions. Okay, it's just my own opinion of my sharing. Then I just share. It doesn't mean I represent that I'm giving any tips or what. So if you really want to trade or what, please seek for the professional advice. Just go to a broker which is nearby and look for them and give you some advice. So I just portray a little bit of my disclaimer just for the showing purposes. Okay, from here, wait. So just give me some time. It just takes some time to load on that. So okay. It's just a normal process, actually. Well, so yeah, this is the disclaimer. So whatever I'm going to explain to you, if you want to buy or long or short or whatever, please go to a broker nearby and just seek for professional advice. All right. So it's just a little bit of my own perspective and opinion. But however, normally when I focus on that, then it's probably this following just to tell you that I'm actually going to this direction, this on my own perspective. So from this itself, if we go to a weekly chart, let's just take a look, and we can see the 1,700 is nearby here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look. Wow. So this is what? This is actually a resistance point. If we're going to draw a line here, okay, the horizontal line, and we can easily see that this is 1703, you know, probably about there, it's just quite nearby. So it's going to hit into this direction. Then we mentioned the people, as long as it never actually break down to 1611 and it break through above the 1660, and most likely hold that the overall market is heading to where? Heading to the uptrend. So it's very clear now the market is heading to uptrend, and I can see easily that we got about 12 points for it to make start from 15 to 15 July. So, you know, I just go into a long position, just wait for the market to go back, and of course I have to put my own stop loss positions. Okay, so the stop loss positions depends on individual perspective, because to me, I know that, you know, the direction is heading to the uptrend, and I just roughly put nearby to 163 something, then I just go to a trend trading. Okay, so this actually trend trading strategies, and it's not intraday trading, because this actually to give us a little bit bright indication about what is the markets we're heading to. Well, so everyone understand about where am I coming from? Why it's about 1,700? All right. So next I would like to share a little bit about for your information, the Maybanks today that also decided to cut the rate for loan and financing deposit to from here I saw the newspaper, I just shout out the rate. So for the BR, the best rate we increased from 3% a year, from 3.2 to 3%. And for the BLR best lending rate, which is from 6.85 to 6.65%, is about 2% itself. So easily we can see the property sectors for the next upcoming 6 months, probably to 1 year, it will have a little bit of bright future. So what I would do is in my upcoming sharing sections, I will share with people more about what is opportunity we can invest, which is in a real estate markets, probably in the property sectors. All right, so this is a little bit on my sharing. So I hope this video is bring some benefit to you, some value to you, as well as to help you to make some money out of that. Okay, so if you have any questions, just feel free to drop to my Facebook, or even going to my WeChat. And very happy to actually talk to you today, and see you again. Thank you.